remember today is a special day. From last update I told you my son Brendan is coming down, and today's the day. And we are T-minus.
Just to stop here for a second, you ever notice how I do this? I never even noticed till I started seeing myself do it in the videos. I'm looking at my wrist like I'm looking at a watch for the time. I haven't worn a wristwatch in over 11 years. Now that's an old ingrained habit.
What, 7 hours? 7 hours he's going to be due at the airport in St. Vincent, and we're still here in Beckway. So we're going to pick up some fresh fruits and veggies here because the market is spectacular here, and then we're going to head off to St. Vincent. So it's about 2 hours from here to St. Vincent, so we'll be on the sea. And he arrives at 7:30 tonight, so we'll be setting into the Blue Lagoon Marina and setting up for a couple of days there, and then off to pick up Brendan at the airport. Hey, what do you think, Tiki? You ready for an adventure? Hey, Tiki. Woo-hoo. Gonna go meet Brendan. All right. Off we go. Just picking up some things at the great local veggie market that's here, as you can see. And picked up some fish from the local guys. They just got in with their catch this morning, so that's cool. And now we're just getting ready. Oh, that's the guys signifying they've got their catch. Fresh catch of the day is on plan. Clean but don't cut?
See it in the market?
Yeah.
Go and bring her, let me see exactly what you want.
Okay. I find out. So we're just about finished here, and then we're on our way over to St. Vincent. Yep, you're at 50 EC.
And we got two mango, two avocados.
2 avocados.
3 mango, I don't know, I'm not sure, it's like small pumpkin.
Uh-huh.
Sweet potato, and here, tomato.
Oh, you put tomatoes in the back?
Yeah.
Nice. Now we'll go get a few things at the supermarket. Need some frozen chicken, maybe some more cheese.
Chicken, milk.
And then
Milk.
back to the boat, off to St. Vincent. Okay. Alright, I think this is where we're going to find our chicken. Let's see. Yeah, what do you want? Drumsticks or chicken breast? I like the chicken breast myself. Here we go.
Oh
Lots.
yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Always pays to bring your own cooler bags and shopping bags.
And also pays to make sure you only pick out things that have price tags on them if you don't want to sit there and watch your chicken melt for half an hour.
You got change to 20?
Then can do it to 10, hold.
Yeah. That's fresh snapper. Thank you, sir. Alright, might as well put these in the bucket. Got our supplies, got fish, chicken, vegetables, good to go.
That's what we affectionately call laundry day.
See, we're still limping our engine back home. We had a tank full of water from the last rainstorm, so we have to drain water out of the fuel filters all the time.
causing us lots of grief, but still getting through. Just have to keep checking the filter and make sure it's not full.
And we're just back from town now. We got all our shopping done, and as you can see, Sasha is just busy putting away all of our fresh fruits and veggies, getting everything ready to throw into the fridge.
And then once we got everything stored and stowed, it was finally time to head to sea, so we pulled anchor and off we went. And you can see our destination, St. Vincent, right off the bow. We're heading to the new Blue Lagoon Marina on the south shore of St. Vincent. It's only about 8 miles away, but it's going to take about 2 hours to get there. This stretch of water is always notoriously nasty. It's the cut between Beckway and St. Vincent, and the water just funnels through here, so you get a wicked current and a lot of waves. Today we picked an especially calm day, which means we're just going to motor across, but the alternative is bashing into big huge square waves for 2 hours, and that's never any fun, and always something gets broke. This is where we're headed right here. This is the Blue Lagoon on the south shore of St. Vincent, and on the inside is the Blue Lagoon Marina. You can see it's very well protected by the surrounding reefs, and that makes the entrance a little tricky, so you really got to be careful and know where you're going. I've been coming here for many years. It's always cool to see a familiar face, and my buddy Ross Mike always comes out to greet me outside the entrance. He shows up in his dinghy, tells us where we're going to be docking and where to set up our lines and fenders, and follow him in. How we looking? You got room for us in there?
Yeah, there's room there.
They told you I was coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to go inside. I'm behind Kelly boat.
Beware?
Behind Kelly boat.
Behind Kelly
Inside,
boat?
yeah. Please just put the fender on this side and you follow me. I show you.
Fenders on port side.
Yeah.
And lines on port side.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, give us a couple minutes. We'll get set.
All right.
Ross Mike's got a spot set up for us. He wants to have our fenders set up on port side and lines. So, all right, we've got the fenders set up. If you want to get 2 lines, we need, well, 3 lines actually. We need a line for here, a bow line, and a stern line. We are here in the Blue Lagoon, and as you can see, it's just about sunset, and we're just getting ready to go and pick up Brendan at the airport. Beautiful sunset tonight. Just getting the boat all finished, cleaned up, and as you can see, just filling up with water. A few last minute things. And a few more minutes, we're just about set to head off to the airport. Got my friend Stan heading down shortly. He's gonna pick us up and head down to the St. Vincent airport to meet Brendan. On our way. Yeah, it was a big lightning storm over by the boat there. I didn't see coming over St. Vincent, and I thought, oh my god, if this is that big, I'm wondering if it's going to bring that plane in.
Ja.
You're looking at the St. Vincent flags? We almost got one. We almost got one. But they closed.
So now we're watching to see if we can spot him, and I think I got a glimpse of him standing in the line there, but I can't tell. And yes, I think, yes, there he is. For those of you that don't know, this is his first major transit solo, so I'm sure he's had quite an adventurous day.
You made it! Oh, this is my friend Stan.
Something.
Stan? Brendan!
Yeah.
Well, you didn't lose anything, right? You got your laptop and everything is here?
I suppose I should check.
That was my biggest concern. Oh, that's what you brought as a backpack for a check-in? Or a carry-on?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay, good. That was my biggest concern. Once they made you check that bag, that was not good.
Yeah, but that's not such a big bag.
I know, why wouldn't I let them take that as a carry-on?
That's what I'm saying. That could hold in the overhead.
Alright, well, thankfully everything made it. Alright, let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So after a full day travel adventure, the only thing on everybody's mind was dinner. So time to get everything in the car and head somewhere to eat. Luckily the rain had cleared up and now we had a full moon looking down on us. It was beautiful.
You can't see anything. What are you doing? Why are you even wasting film?
This is art movie.
Art movie.
Yeah.
That means you look at it tomorrow and go, what the hell was I thinking? I
Oh,
can't even
come
see
on,
it.
it's dark music, it's hard.
Okay. Okay, that's it there, and then just the big bag now. Alright, sweet hell on water. Hello, Tiki. Oh, here, I'm
Oh,
not
Tiki
gonna set it on.
sleep.